Alright guys, I'm about to do a review on a pair of Travis Scotts that I had just recently picked up. These are Jumpman Jack TR Dark Mocha Black Sail. So yeah, there you go. Pair of Jumpmans. Nah, let me check these out. I had gotten them from Goat, so all the tissue paper and packaging is already pretty much been open, so you get a pair of the white laces, the brown laces, and you get that multicolored mixed laces right here. So you got those. It comes into this bag. Get the card is in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. See, from Goat. I order all my stuff from Goat. More trusted than StockX because I had an issue with them prior. So let's do that. It has just a basic all black shoe dust bag with the black Jumpman Jack, Cactus Jack, Air Jordan straps. These are a dark mocha brown for the tabs right here. It's pretty cool. So, like I said, they already open everything to verify them, to legit check them. So, the Jack graphic will wear off with use over time. So they give you this sticker showing that the design on the bottom of the shoe wears off, but I didn't get a chance to really like unopen them because like I told you, they have to verify them and do all that. It's pretty big to do all that. So yeah, here they are. The Mocha Cactus Jack Jordans. So yeah, with that you come with the strap right here. Let me see if I can get that. Put that really tight. Right here, I'm doing it strap off. Like I wouldn't wear them like strapped off like that. So put that right there. That's what they look like. Black laces. I don't know why they tie these so tight. They're always like super tight when they do these. So yeah, loosen these up. It's like, fucking you tie them so tight. It's like you're a damn boxer. Shit's annoying. All right, there we go. Tissue paper. Then on the insole, it's just dark brown. Can't really even see the design of the concept. I got them in a size 13. Black, rubberish on the bottom. Simple insole. On the inside. Now, I usually wear a 12, and people say to like go true to size. Now, I had an issue with that on purchasing these shoes because on my other Travis Scotts, my previous Travis Scotts, I have the Mocha highs and all the rest of them with the Jordans, the Jordan 1s. Those I have in a size 12 and they fit. But because this has the stitching right here and it's overlapped, as you guys can see, like it has like the stitching and it overlaps, and then this right here, I feel like you don't have enough material to like have more width, breathability for the side of the feet. So I had to go a whole size up. So I went, instead of a half size, I went a full size up, and they fit really well. So just, I'm just saying my personal opinion, and I have like not wide feet, but like medium width foot. So I went size 13. I feel like these need a size 13 because of the way that they're designed. And I felt like they were going to dig into the side of the foot for the toe box. So I'm glad that I went at 13 instead of a size 12 or 12 and a half. They would have fit way too tight. So that's these, the Mochas. Let me get out the other one. So yeah, I was curious about these because recently saw him at WrestleMania last year wearing these, and I was intrigued on getting them, and I was wondering if I should waste my time or my money on buying these. And I figured, why not? These are a pair that are good looking because it's a mixture of like Nike SB, obviously the Jordans, and a representation of like a Nike trainer. So it's a mixture of the two, or the three, I should say, and it has a diversity. And another thing that I like too is the uniqueness of the design of the shoe. It's like a weird, I don't know, kind of like horrific like look slash. It looks like broken concrete, like cracked concrete, like nothing's actually the same, and it reaches all the way to the side of the shoe. So that's pretty cool. I thought that was kind of unique. Nobody really cares about like the design on the bottom, just in itself. But I thought these are pretty cool. Now I do have to say, I got 4 pairs of these. I got these ones. I got the Varsity Reds, and I got the Sail, and I also got the tennis ball green um, pair, and I got those to match because I purchased the WrestleMania shirts that he had did last year. So I got each pair to match the shoes. So yeah, I'll leave a description down below so you guys can check those out too, to see the other review on the other shoes, as well as for for the for the shirts, if you guys want to check those out. So yeah, back to the shoe. This one has to be one of my favorite colors. I just think that it's just classic, dark, goes with everything, super sick. Got the Castle Jack face. Super sick, really affordable. Not too expensive. I think the most affordable pair I would have to say are the tennis ball greens with the Sail colorway. Those are the easiest ones to get. I think they were going for like, I think like when I say 195 with tax, they were like 230. These ones are second there. I think these were going for like, I want to say maybe like 320, something like that. So yeah, the most expensive ones were the other two. I think they were more limited, so they were more expensive. But yeah, I'm happy with these. These are really sick. I love these. These are like one of my favorites. I'm actually gonna rock these with the Stage to Sage t-shirt. So yeah, these are really dope. So yeah, Travis Scott's, Jumpman Jacks. I didn't know how good they were gonna look, but because I seen him wearing them, like I said, on WrestleMania, so I didn't know how good they were gonna look. So there you have it. I didn't know which laces will look better, so I'll probably just keep the black. I mean, these look good too, just in itself. I think the brown, that's too much brown. And then these ones look good too. It'll match the bottom, like with the bottom. You could throw some white in there, but I wouldn't do that because it'll just kind of like throw out the contrast. So yeah, yep, there you go. Cactus Jack, Travis Scott, Jumpman Jacks. This is his signature shoe. Got it with the dust. I think with the dust bag, I think it cost a little bit extra. When I ordered them on Goat, I think that's all they had. I didn't see the regular ones without a dust bag. It doesn't really matter, honestly, but if you prefer having an accessory or something like that, like a dust bag or something, then I would recommend spending an extra like 10 to 20 bucks to get the dust bag. So there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Likes always appreciated. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.